back to my beautiful creative family. Today we step into a world where simplicity become elegance, where the ordinary become art, and where our hands create decoration that speak to the heart. Today we are making jute wall mirror decoration, but not just a decor. We are creating pieces that hold memories, feelings, and moments of life. So sit with me, feel the calm. Let's begin our journey. In a small village surrounded by golden wheat field, there lived a woman named Ella. Her home was humble, made of clay walls and wooden beams that held scent of old stories. But Ella's home had something special, warmth. Every morning sunlight entered her house through the window, and as the light touched the walls, Ella would smile. But there was one com one corner that always felt empty, a silent place that needed life. One day, while walking near the village market, Ella saw a bundle of simple jute, rough, natural, earthy. It reminded her of the field they walked through every day. She picked it up and thought, what if beauty does not always need to be expensive? What if the most meaningful decoration is the one made with love? And that is how her creative journey began. Now, just like Ella, we begin with a round mirror, any size you like, jute of twins, hot glue, cardboard base, and your creativity. Place your mirror flat on surface, cut a circular cardboard backing slightly bigger than the mirror. This is your supporting canvas. Start applying jute rope along the mirror border. Move slowly. Follow the round shape. Lets you hand feel the rhythm. Once the first border is complete, continue in outward ring. This create a beautiful sunburst look, warm and rustic. And here's the magic: you can shape the jute into petals, waves, leaves, or braids. This is where your heart speak. As you wrap the jute, imagine trying memories into each turn. As day passed, Ella worked on her jute mirror piece. She braided the jute like she braided her daughter hair. She shaped curve inspired by the river she once watched in childhood, and slowly her mirror became a piece of her soul. When she finally hung the mirror on that once empty wall, the entire space came alive. People visiting would say, where did you buy this beautiful piece? And Ella would smile and say, I did not buy it, I made it. It holds my mornings, my memories, my peace. And that's the secret behind handmade decoration. It is not just a object, it's a feeling. You can make many styles, sunflower styles, create petal loops around the mirror using jute like layers of a blooming flower, glue rope around the mirror and cut the ends to create soft rings perfect for cozy bedrooms, braided crown style, braid thick strands of jute and place the braid in circles from very elegant and royal lace plus jute mix style. Combine white lace with natural jute for a soft vintage romantic look. Use simple macrame knot to create cascading pattern around your mirror. And remember, this is not right or wrong. Your design is reflection of you. Ella's story teaches us something very meaningful. We live in a world where decoration, beauty, and style are often sold to us in store, but real beauty, this beauty that feel the heart and warmth the home come from our hands and our love. You don't you do not need expensive material, you need only time, patience, creativity and love. Every knot you tie, every curve you glue become a memory. So today as you create your own jute wall mirror decoration, now that you are not just crafting an object, you are crafting peace, you are crafting home, you are crafting your story. If you try these projects, remember to smile while making it. Your energy will live inside your creation forever.